Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to share the upcoming legal opportunities that are there in this year. So many recruitments have already been conducted and there are many which are expected to come in the upcoming months. This has been the calendar of the recruitments over the past 5 years. You can see from the last 2 years there have been a lot of recruitments. SEBI legal, RBI legal, ECGC PO legal, HPCA law, IBPS RRB, IDBI, Coal India MT law, NPS legal, Central Bank legal, PFRDA legal, SPMCIL, then Exim Bank legal, IBPS SO. In 2023, there were even more recruitments. DDA legal, IDBI, Punjab Sindh Bank, RCFL law, HURL law. Then there is AI law, HPCL, NIACL, UISC, NSDL, NIA, APP. You can see August onwards, there are a lot of recruitments. And this year, due to elections, even the recruitments were delayed. So in the upcoming months, we can expect many recruitments. For example, there is an information that there could be NIACL law. Then there could be PFRDA legal. There could be HPCL law, there could be Coal India Limited, ECGC PO legal, all these are expected. And right now, there are 2 recruitments that are active, IBPS SO law and IRDAI legal. For IBPS SO law, you need to be a graduate and you should have enrollment with the Bar Council. For IRDAI legal, you should be a graduate with minimum 60% criteria. In IRDAI legal, there is no law syllabus. In SO law, there is law syllabus. Both these recruitments are active. You can fill the form for both these exams. IBPS RRB का एग्जाम अभी 29 सितंबर को है. SO लॉ के फॉर्म फिल करने की लास्ट डेट 21st of August थी, which was extended to 28th of August. So you still have time to fill this application form. IRDA legal का फॉर्म आप 20th सितंबर तक भर सकते हैं. IRDA legal का एग्जाम पैटर्न थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. यहाँ पर प्रीलिम्स में आपको क्वांट रीजनिंग इंग्लिश चाहिए पढ़ना होगा और मेंस में जाकर डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश, इकोनॉमिक सोशल इश्यूज एंड इंश्योरेंस रिलेटेड कंटेंट आपको पढ़ना होगा. But you can prioritize and accordingly prepare for both these exams together. And as I was saying, there are many recruitments which are expected. PFRDA legal, RBI legal, NIACL law, Coal India, HPCL. These are few of the many which we can expect in the upcoming months. So here I am attaching a Google form in the description. In the Google form, you can mention the exams which you are targeting. You can click multiple exams and let us know that in the upcoming year you are targeting all these exams, and then we will be able to give you exam specific guidance which can help you in the preparation of multiple exams altogether. So you can fill the Google form, let us know your requirements, and accordingly we can give you those specific videos, those specific guidance. At the same time, you can check out our MEGABee Legal online course. This is all-in-one course which will help you in the preparation of all the upcoming exams in the legal field. Law officer exams in regulatory bodies, banking sector, public sector undertakings, insurance sector. Every such exam is covered through MEGABee Legal online course. In fact, your exam of IBPS SO law, SEBI legal and IRDA legal is also covered in this course. So you can check out this course. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can reach out to us on this number. You can call us and ask all your queries related to this MEGABee Legal online course. You can also write your queries to hello@iexamb.com. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.